That's nuts, baby.
Don't play with it, don't play with it, don't play with it. Don't play with it.
JT on the track again.
Really get carried away, making mistakes, then you beg me to stay. Got me thinking on you like I'm arrogant. You got my mind in a terrible place. Act like you not used to staring. I met the nigga you thought were a place. How would that even compare us as babies? Next time I swear on my grandma, slimy you for the choices you made. Slimy you out, slimy you out, slimy you out. Hey, this ain't the lyrics I can get on you. Send wires on wires on wires like Idris. Lucky that I don't take back what was given. I could have you on payment plan to your 150. And my star right here, she got some bars for y'all niggas. So I'ma fall back and lessons I taught her shit for me. Slimy you out, slimy you out, slimy you out.
Damn, these niggas got me so twisted. I get so real, but play on my line. I can feel what you're spending. I'm too much pride to let no burn it. Cause sign me out, pull up, go right above. Mine, I got some less to discuss all those lies about. Friend out here like you digging me out, and I ain't even coming, I'm in and out. And you ain't about the shit you rapping about, and I can spend the whole marrying it down. I'm going home like a solo. You tell these hoes you ain't cuddling, but with me you know, doing all that shit. You tell these hoes you ain't tricking off, but with me you know, I'm gon' get it all. How you niggas get so carried away, tripping when that dick is barely third place. Fucked out of pity, killed that you left.
Oh, that is pretty. Did I have that last year? Oh.
You talking about the Santa Claus?
Yeah.
Oh no, that's
No,
new.
I thought you was talking about the garland.
Yeah, that's new. Ain't he pretty?
I just showed the Evan in the big 6 foot Santa y'all want to let me buy. She said that would have been cute standing up here.
Y'all hit it. What's up, y'all? It's your girl Randa G here with another video.
I told him I've been waiting for him all my life. Oh my goodness. With a black Santa.
You here? I showed.
We gonna redo this. What's up, y'all? It's your girl Randa G here with another video. If you're new here, welcome. We would love for you to join the family. You have to hit that red subscribe button. If you're not new, welcome back, babes. So today we are just doing a Christmas vlog. I'm gonna be doing a Christmas weekend. Now we are on the way to see my big cousin, Miss South Carolina 2015. If you did not know, we're about to go visit her real quick, and I'm gonna bring y'all along. So let's go.
Music.
You can try your routine on my hair and see if it what it's gonna do.
Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do when I go to Jamaica.
Boo, help him get in order.
Okay.
That's going well so far. Yeah.
Come on,
Anybody
guys.
else?
Sit down.
Come on, pretty girl, you better do it.
Oh yeah, you gonna have to lean.
There you go. There y'all go.
Come on,
Do I got my time on? I'm gonna do 10 seconds and we got plenty of time.
All right. Okay, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, smile.
Why are you acting up? Okay,
It's mine.
safe measure.
All
right now.
You did good. Somebody feed that baby.
Well, don't take it from me.
Feed that baby. Feed her.
Please.
She done
Okay,
wrong with
okay,
you.
but we made it. We made it. We made it, everybody.
All right, y'all, we are actually downtown Spartanburg. We're about to get dinner. We had a wonderful time at Dodge's. Look at downtown Spartanburg. It's so cute. All right, y'all, we made it back home. So y'all know Christmas Eve is on a Sunday. So right now me and my mom are just trying to get all the gifts for like the members and stuff so we can bring them to church tomorrow. But I found a gift that says Miranda Parents Christmas Eve. And my mama said I could just go ahead and open it now. So let's see. Girl, I am too grown to be opening gifts before Christmas. Hopefully it ain't nothing embarrassing, cause then I'm gonna have to cut the camera off. I'm gonna have to cut it off, cause I can't be getting embarrassed. Oh, it's cute, y'all. It's Christmas pajamas. We must gonna wear this Christmas Eve night. Oh, this is so cute. Oh, I love that. Look at that. Come on now. This is cute. It looks like it's gonna be a little warm though, honey. I don't know if I can wear this all night. Maybe just for pictures. Ooh, yeah, that's looking a little warm. Cute. I hope we do take pictures. It's gonna be so cute. I love that. Okay. Cute. Now back to my job, honey. I gotta finish getting the rest of these presents situated. Whew. Okay, I gotta get back on my job. And then I'll probably talk to y'all a little later. But Christmas pajamas, cute. I love that. Hopefully we all got matching ones so we can take pictures, because that would be cute. All right. Good morning, babes. It is Sunday morning. It is Christmas Eve. We are on the way to church this morning. I'm not gonna bring y'all into the church. I'm gonna go to church. We'll probably get something to eat. I'll catch up with y'all, come back home, rest a little bit, and then we have our family's Christmas Eve party this evening. So, you know, we got a couple of fun things happening today. So I'll see y'all later, okay? Woo. All right, y'all, just got back from church. My mom had to go run a couple errands. My dad had to go do something for work. So normally on Christmas Eve around like 5 o'clock, everybody goes to my grandma's, you know, so like my great aunts, my great uncles, my cousins. And that's normally where we eat, we fellowship, and we exchange gifts, just because on Christmas Day everybody stays with their immediate family. So it's just a good way for us to fellowship and be together for Christmas and exchange the gifts that we got each other. So since they're running their errands, I'm gonna go ahead and pack up the presents that we have for everybody. That way when they come back, we can all eat, chill, relax, because it's 1 o'clock right now. So I just want to be able to have that time to just relax, sit down, and then we can just grab the presents and be on our way type thing. Last night was a lot, because last night we packed all the gifts for the church. So today we got to pack all the gifts for the family, and I know we're tired. Like, we didn't go to bed till like 12 a.m. I know I told y'all that I was gonna pick up the camera again last night. I didn't, because I was wiped out. But while they're running their errands, I just want to make sure that I do my part and help them in any way I can. So I'm just going to go ahead and sort out the presents, put them in the bag, and I'm going to show y'all. I do not have a system. She got like 3 trees in this house. So we're going to go to each tree and we're going to see what days we can find. So this is the main tree. I love my mama's tree. She's just very traditional. So out of all them presents, only 2 of them are getting packed up. So a lot of those gifts are like for the immediate family. So that's like my mom, my dad, me. So that's all those gifts. But 2 of these gifts are getting packed up with us. So now I gotta go upstairs to the other tree. Hey y'all, so Christmas Eve party was a success. Clearly had too much fun because I didn't pick up the camera, but I got Angela here. She gonna tell y'all Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
A tornado flew around my room before you came. Excuse the mess it made. It usually doesn't rain in Southern California, much like Arizona. My eyes don't shed tears, but boy they pour when I'm thinking about you. Oh, no, 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 I've been thinking about you. You, no, 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 I've been thinking about you. Do you think about me still? Do you not think so far ahead? Do you not? 'Cause I've been thinking about forever. Ooh. Do you not think so far ahead? Do you not? 'Cause I've been thinking about forever. Ooh. No, I don't like you, I just thought you were cool enough to kick it. Got a beach house I could sell you in Idaho. Since you think I don't love you, I just thought you were cute. That's why I kiss you. Got a fighter jet, I don't get to fly it, though I'm lying down thinking about you. Ooh, no, 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 I've been thinking about you. You, no, 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 I've been thinking about you. Do you think about me still? Do you not think so far ahead? Do you not? 'Cause I've been thinking about forever. Ooh. Do you not think so far ahead? Do you not? 'Cause I've been thinking about forever. Ooh. My spirit keep it alive. We'll go down this road till it turns from color to black and white. But do you not think so far ahead? 'Cause I've been thinking about forever.
So the day is going by so fast. We had breakfast this morning. We went by my grandma's to drop off her gifts. We came home and we cooked a little bit, and I gotta show y'all my macaroni and cornbread because it's pretty. It's so pretty. Look at this pretty cornbread, y'all. And then this is the macaroni pie. Yeah, so now we are just waiting on my dad and my aunt to come over so we can eat and open presents and I don't know, just spend time with each other, fellowship, and all the things. So I hope you all have a Merry Christmas. I hope y'all enjoyed this Christmas vlog. It's a little bit all over the place, but I'm kind of all over the place, so it's fitting. So hit like and subscribe, turn your notifications so you don't miss the next video. I'll see y'all next time.